Hello everyone, it is Dani and welcome to this update video this morning. I trust and hope that you have been having a good week thus far. Now, we can see that frontal system which extends near the Caribbean, and it has been helping to influence the weather for some of the islands, coupled with a surge in moisture which persists even now towards Central America. And we've got some low-level clouds coming in, likely bringing some intermittent showers to parts of the Lesser Antilles as well. So let's take a closer look at the region, and here we can see what is going on. So we can see some convection in the West Caribbean, just moving into parts of Honduras right there. But overall, there isn't a major weather system right now. However, we have been feeling the impact. Some islands have been feeling the cooler temperatures because of the front to the north, as well as those stronger winds, rougher seas. So you can let me know what's been going on for you. And as for me in Jamaica, it's been pretty wet this week, some periods of heavy rain. Nothing too crazy, but it's been mostly overcast. It's been cool. It's been windy, especially as we head to the afternoon hours. And this is going to be somewhat of a trend that we'll notice as these frontal systems make their way to the area and influence our weather. As we head throughout today, this is a look at the rainfall forecast. So in parts of eastern Cuba, the northern part of Hispaniola, as well as north and eastern Jamaica could experience some additional periods of heavy rainfall today. And also as we look towards Central America, for the Bay Islands, much of Honduras, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, parts of Panama, the islands of San Andres and Providencia as well. A whole lot of rain will not be present in parts of Guatemala, Belize, the Keys, and parts of Mexico and El Salvador. Similar thing for much of the Cayman Islands, going to most of Cuba as well, the Bahamas, Turks and Caicos Islands. As we head towards Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, and through the Lesser Antilles, we can see that there are some of those colorful shadings, some of those greens and yellows, a few spots of yellows popping up as well. So there could be some intermittent showers, as I had mentioned. Those low-level clouds are moving in with a little bit of moisture to help out with the rain. ABC Islands, some of that activity is also noted in the area. So there could be some additional periods of downpours. And then for parts of Northern South America, Colombia, Venezuela, parts of the Guianas as well, there could be some shower activity. And as we take a look at this graphic here, this is a surface chart. We can see that front, which is just to the north of the Caribbean. It extends to the vicinity of Hispaniola. And we're going to be seeing more and more of these, especially as we head to next month and next year, with those stronger systems coming out of the U.S. In addition to that, you can see that broken orange line, which is representative of a surface trough in the area in the Eastern Caribbean. And in addition to that, there is also some cool air which has been setting in. So you may notice that, the temperatures are very cool, not just because of the fact that it's been overcast and raining for some areas. That's a contributing factor, but also the cooler air from the north. So for parts of the Bahamas, Cuba, as well as even Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, and towards sections of Central America, we can see those blue shadings indicating below normal temperatures. And this is for today. So this is not something that is going to be continuing down into the Caribbean. It's going to kind of persist in the area. Headed to tomorrow evening, we can see that it starts dissipating, but then another frontal system will be moving out and bringing that cooler air to parts of the eastern United States. So that is what is currently going on, guys. And with the periods of heavy rainfall anticipated today, please ensure to stay safe. And should there be any floodwaters, turn around, don't drown, do not take any unnecessary risks. So that is what I wanted to bring to your attention in this update video this morning. And I do hope you found it to be quite informative. However, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'll respond to you when I have the chance to do so. And remember to always do otherwise.